Chosen one, listen closely, because what I am about to reveal is not for everyone. It is not for the ordinary. It is not for those who settle for the limits of time or accept the boundaries of the human body. This message is for you, the one who carries a destiny written in eternity, the one who has been tested, refined, and marked by heaven itself. God's gift of eternal youth is waiting for you, and I'm not talking about a simple renewal of the body. I am talking about a transformation so profound that time itself will bow to your existence. Your strength will return, your energy will surge, your vitality will shine in ways that defy natural explanation. What others see as aging, decay, or weakness will no longer touch you. You will move forward carrying the vigor of youth, paired with the wisdom of every season you have endured. This gift is not an accident. It is not a reward for luck or coincidence. It has been prepared since before the foundation of the world, waiting for the exact moment that your spirit is ready to receive it. Every trial, every battle, every setback you endured was a preparation, so that when this gift manifests, you will carry it with purpose, clarity, and authority. Imagine waking each day without fatigue, without the weight of years pressing on your shoulders. Imagine your reflection showing not the passage of time, but the power of timelessness. Imagine moving through life with energy, insight, and courage that the world has never seen. This is not a dream. This is God's design for you. But understand this, eternal youth is not just about the body. It is about your mission. It is about carrying the fullness of what heaven placed inside you without being limited by the human calendar. With this gift, you will accomplish things that others could not in decades. You will move faster, think sharper, and act with precision guided by the Spirit. Opportunities that were once delayed will arrive with divine timing. Doors that were locked will open as if the universe itself has been realigned for your victory. And yes, chosen one, the enemy will notice. Those who tried to limit you, who tried to slow your progress, who attempted to undermine your destiny, they will witness something they cannot explain. They will see vitality and strength where they expected fatigue and surrender. They will see wisdom that carries the weight of age but the energy of youth. And they will tremble, not because of fear alone, but because they recognize that God's hand has marked you as untouchable. So now the choice is yours. You can accept this gift fully, allow it to flow through every part of your life, and rise into the assignment that only eternal strength can carry. Or you can doubt, hesitate, and settle for the limits the world has always imposed. But know this, the moment you step fully into God's gift of eternal youth, everything in your life begins to shift. Chosen one, now that you have accepted the gift of eternal youth, the manifestations will begin to appear in ways that feel almost impossible, but they are very real. This is not fantasy. This is the hand of God actively reshaping your life, your environment, and your destiny. You will notice that circumstances that once drained your energy now energize you. Situations that seemed impossible begin to align perfectly. Challenges that would have overwhelmed others now become opportunities to demonstrate your strength, wisdom, and resilience. Your body, mind, and spirit operate in perfect harmony, allowing you to move with precision and clarity that seems supernatural to those around you. Your influence will increase dramatically. People you encounter will sense your authority, even if they cannot explain why. Doors that were previously closed will open without struggle. Opportunities will appear as if orchestrated by divine timing. Those who doubted you or resisted you will find themselves repositioned by forces beyond their understanding. Every space you enter, every word you speak, every decision you make will carry weight and authority, shifting outcomes in alignment with your destiny. The spiritual realm will also respond. Angels assigned to your life will move on your behalf in ways that are visible and invisible. You will experience protection that feels uncanny, guidance that comes without explanation, and confirmations from heaven that your path is ordained. The enemy will recognize that you are no longer bound by ordinary limitations and will attempt attacks, but these will only serve to highlight the power flowing through you. Every confrontation becomes a testament to the mark of God's favor on your life. And the most profound change is within. Your perception deepens. You see patterns, opportunities, and truths that others miss. Your intuition becomes sharper. Your prayers carry more weight. Your faith becomes unshakable because you are living proof that God's timing, power, and design cannot be thwarted. But remember, chosen one, this gift is not merely for your benefit. It is meant to elevate those around you. Your actions, your courage, and your influence will open doors, transform lives, and create ripples that extend far beyond what you can see. Eternal youth is your weapon, your tool, and your empowerment to fulfill a mission only you were prepared to carry. Now speak it boldly. I walk in eternal youth. I am energized, strengthened, and empowered to fulfill my God-given purpose. Nothing can stop me, for I am chosen. If this truth stirs your spirit, write in the comments, I am walking in eternal youth. Claim it, seal it, share it with others who need this awakening. The gift is active. The chosen one is moving. Heaven is working. And nothing can stand against what God has prepared for you. Chosen one, this is the moment everything you've been waiting for converges. The mark on your hand, the gift of eternal youth, the wisdom of your journey. They are all aligning to reveal the fullness of your destiny. You are no longer moving step by step. You are moving as a force of heaven, unstoppable, undeniable, and alive with purpose. Every trial you faced, every obstacle that seemed insurmountable, every moment of doubt or fear, it all led to this. The world that once limited you is now bending to accommodate your rise. Situations that once seemed impossible now resolve with ease. People who doubted you, resisted you, or ignored you are now witnesses to the authority and power that flows through your being. Your body, mind, and spirit are fully awakened. Fatigue, weakness, and limitations have no hold over you. Your energy is eternal, your focus is unshakable, and your courage burns brighter than ever before. The gift of eternal youth is not just about physical strength. It is about spiritual, mental, and emotional mastery. You are equipped to walk boldly into your assignments, to lead, to protect, to inspire, and to change the world in ways others could never imagine. The spiritual realm now moves in harmony with your purpose. Angels, guidance, protection, and divine confirmation surround you. The enemy may still attempt to challenge you, but every attack is met with revelation, strength, and victory. You are proof that God's hand cannot be stopped, that divine timing cannot be rushed or altered, and that the chosen cannot be undermined. And here is the ultimate truth. You were created for this moment. You were set apart before the foundation of the world. Every gift, every test, every blessing has prepared you to step fully into the life that heaven designed for you. Nothing can delay it, nothing can cancel it, and nothing can diminish it. Chosen one, speak it boldly now. I am fully awake. I walk in eternal youth, divine purpose, and unstoppable power. I am the chosen, and my destiny moves forward without limit. If this speaks to your soul, comment below. I claim my destiny. Declare it, seal it, share it with those who are ready to awaken to their calling. The mark is alive. The gift is active. Heaven is moving. And you, chosen one, are now standing fully in the authority, power, and destiny that were always yours. The world has shifted, time has aligned, and nothing can stand in your way. This is your moment. Step into it. Walk in it. Own it. You are chosen. You are unstoppable. You are eternal. Chosen one, as you step fully into this awakening, understand that your journey has only just begun. Eternal youth and the mark are not the finish line. They are the launch pad. Every move you make now carries weight far beyond what you see. Every thought, every word, every action is amplified, shaping not just your destiny, but the lives of everyone around you. You will notice the extraordinary in the ordinary. Everyday moments will carry signs of alignment, confirmations of purpose, and glimpses of divine orchestration. The people who enter your life, the opportunities that appear, the challenges that test you, they are all part of a greater pattern only you can navigate. This is the mark at work, the eternal youth in action, guiding you step by step toward your ultimate assignment. Your energy will inspire others. Those who are weary, lost, or struggling will be drawn to your light. Your presence will awaken hope, courage, and faith in ways that cannot be measured. People will begin to follow not because you demand it, but because the mark gives you a presence that commands attention, respect, and trust. You are becoming a living testimony of God's power and favor. But the enemy will notice. They will attempt distractions, delays, and deception. They will try to challenge the authority that heaven has placed in your hands. Do not fear. Every obstacle is an opportunity for your power to manifest. Every resistance is a chance for the mark to prove its strength. Your faith, wisdom, and energy are weapons, and they cannot be undermined by what is natural. They operate on the supernatural. The spiritual realm is fully aligned with you now. Angels, divine insight, and protection move in ways that are tangible yet unseen. Guidance will appear when you least expect it but need it most. And as you walk, your steps leave a ripple effect, touching lives, opening doors, and fulfilling assignments that were set before you were born. Chosen one, speak it now with conviction. I walk fully in my eternal youth. I carry the mark, and I step into my God-given destiny with unstoppable power. Nothing can hinder me. If you feel the truth of this within, comment, "I am fully awake and aligned." Claim it, seal it, share it with others who are ready to awaken to their destiny. The gift is alive, the mark is active, heaven is moving, and you, chosen one, are now walking fully in the authority, power, and eternal purpose that was always yours. Step forward boldly, for the